We're going to be making some salmon on cedar plank with a creamy sauce that's going to have some basil, some cherry tomatoes, and a little asparagus on the side. So come with me. We're going to be making this in the oven today. And here we are. We have Forno di Pizza from HPC Fire Inspired, and easy enough to get the oven started. We're going to turn on the ignition. The pilot is on, and we're going to turn on a little burner. And now we're going to place our wood here. We're trying to get the fire started so we can get the oven hot enough to get the pieces of salmon and the little cedar planks in there. All right, here we are. We're just checking the temperature of the oven. As we can see, the thermometer is reading close to 700 degrees on the outside, and we kind of turned off the gas a little bit. And we're going to move that fire towards the center of the oven so we can actually heat up the stone, and that way we can kind of start getting ready to put our cedar planks on there. For now. So we're going to watch them kind of warm up a little bit, and you can see the steam coming from them. We're going to put the fish right on the surface that's in contact with the stone. So we're going to wait a little bit longer so we can heat those nice and get them nice and hot. And you can hear the cedar popping. And the skin is going to be face down right onto the plank. And these are good size fillets. They're about 2 inches. And we're just going to do 4 for now. And with that, we're going to put a little bit of this kosher salt on top of here. And I like to use a little bit brown sugar also. Just put this over here. And that just kind of is going to help seal some of that. That glaze is going to seal some of that heat inside of the salmon. Okay, so there's that. Now we're going to put that plank right inside of there. We're going to turn the heat down, and we're going to slide that in there. And we're going to let that just sit here. Now we're going to place the skillet in there. We're going to get it nice and hot before we put any olive oil, because now next step is we're going to be cooking some asparagus in there. So we're going to turn this, come and check the, we're going to turn that flame up. And that way we can get nice and hot. I'm going to grab this here. And this is super hot. We're going to toss some of this olive oil. Some of these. We're going to put some of these here. Hot. Put these in the oven. We're going to grab this piece of salmon over here. We're going to leave the skin behind. We're going to put it on the plate. We got some asparagus here. We're going to grab. cherry tomatoes. Okay, very nice. And now we're going to have this nice little creamy sauce, al rechol sauce. And we're going to put it right on top of that, just like that. A little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to freshly squeeze a little bit of lime. Okay, here we go. Salmon on a cedar plank with some asparagus and red cherry tomatoes, and a delicious creamy al rechol sauce.